In this question, it says that angle PQR, as you can see, angle PQR, this is given as 100 degree. And further it says that point PQR are the points on the circle. Clearly PQR are the points on the circle with center O. And what we have to find out is angle OPR. That means we have to get this angle. Well, this question is based on this property that angle subtended by an arc at the center is twice the angle subtended by it on the remaining part of the circle. Now let's consider this angle. Like this angle, as you can see, this angle is present in the minor arc. So clearly it is subtended by this arc. It's very important to understand that which arc is this angle subtending. This is subtended by the major arc PQ and not the minor arc. Well, minor arc should be this. So once again, as you can see here, this angle, that is, we are talking about this angle PQR, is subtended by this major arc PR. Now what we know that from this property that angle subtended by an arc at the center is twice the angle subtended by it on the remaining part of the circle. That means clearly if I talk about this arc, then this arc is also subtending an angle at the center, and it has to be the reflex angle POR and not POR. As you can see, it is subtended by the major arc, not the minor arc. So using this property, I can say this a reflex angle. We must mention it. This is reflex angle POR is twice of this angle, right? From this property, it's twice. So twice of 100, which is twice of 100, that comes out to be 200. Now, what you can see here that if you know this angle as this, you know this as 200, clearly this angle will be 360 minus 200. And therefore, this angle will come out to be 360. I can write angle POR, right, will be 360 minus 200. So that comes out to be 160. Now, once we know the value of this angle, that means now we know this angle as 160. We are going to use a property called isosceles property in this triangle. So in triangle, this is triangle POR. We have OP is equal to OR, right? You should know that radii of a same circle are equal. So we simply write radii. And what else we know that if two sides are equal, then the angles opposite to these sides are this angle opposite to this side. And similarly, this angle, that means this angle will be equal. And the reason here, as you know that angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So I can write these angles. Say I'm naming it as angle 1 and angle 2. So clearly I can write angle 1 is equal to angle 2. That is angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Now we can apply angle sum property here. So we can say angle 1 plus angle 2 plus POR comes out to be 180 degree. As you know, we are interested in finding angle 1. So I'm keeping 1 as it is and replacing 2 with 1 as 2 and 1 are equal, plus writing this value, replacing this with its value, which is 160 degree, right? This is 160 degree as we have already calculated. 160 is equal to 180. Further, you can see 1 plus 1 will be twice angle 1. And transposing 160 to the other side, it is 180 minus 160, that is 20 degree. This implies that angle 1 is equal to 20 divided by 2, that is 10 degree. So we got this angle as 10 degree, and that will be the final answer.